We need a second method of navigation, and so animals also have a magnetic compass. Now this compass is very, very clever. It's based on a chemical reaction where low-intensity magnetic fields increase the lifetime of pairs of free radicals. And by measuring the chemical products from these free radicals when they've lived longer and are wandering around more and decay in different ways, you harness that information from a magnetic compass. Another consequence of free radicals living longer is that they are more available to cause biological damage. Now, because of the limited time, I haven't got many slides on this feature here, but this is a very important feature. But I decided to stick with the compass for the time being. What have these animals got in common? Well, they have this magnetic compass in their eyes. This is a very busy slide. I know it is. It's a park slide. But Thorsten Ritz at Berkeley in California proposed that the sensor, the compass in the eyes of the robin, was based on a biological molecule called a cryptochrome. A cryptochrome. And he also proposed a test for this hypothesis. The chemical reactions that were taking place in this compass were happening on a time scale of 1/1000th of a second. So he said, let's expose these animals to the inverse of that, which is 1,000,000 times a second radio frequency electromagnetic field, and see if we can disturb this compass. Did that in 2004 and published this in Nature, and found that this compass was disturbed with fields as low as 0.085 microtesla. Now, I do want to say that this is very, very sophisticated research. This is Nobel Prize candidate level research. Very complex quantum spin chemistry on the theory and the measurements and the animal behavior, etc. And it's been repeated in many species. Busy tables I'm not going to dwell on. Busy tables I'm not going to dwell on, but I am going to tell you, I know you can't see it, about this creature here, the cockroach. I was not terribly fond of cockroaches, but we have our sat-navs, we have our iPhones that cost a lot of money to put the map, to buy and get the maps on them. This cockroach has everything, all built in. But it gets disturbed with fields as low as 0.012 to 0.018 microtesla, 12 to 18 nanotesla. And a relevance to the, more direct relevance to the debate, cows and cattle, when they're grazing in open ground, align themselves north-south, but within 150 meters of power lines, they get confused. 150 meters.